dummies. When you're on the interstate or anywhere else for that matter, always check your blind spot before you switch lanes. Motorcycles are not very big, and it's really hard to see them in your side mirrors or rearview mirror if they don't have their light on, which usually they do, but even then you might not see them. So always make sure there's not a motorcycle coming up on you before you change lanes, because even though you might really mess up your car, you could end up killing that person on the motorcycle if you don't see him.